Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. How are you, Sneha?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. And so today we will discuss about top 5 HR interview question for freshers. And so firstly, I'll be the interviewer and Sneha will employer, and after that Sneha will be the interviewer and I will answer these question. Okay, so are you comfortable?
Yes, ma'am. Of course.
Okay, so the first question is tell me about yourself in briefly.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to explain about myself. My name is Neha Kumari. I am from Rohtas, Bihar. I have passed my matriculation in 2022. After that, I passed diploma in 2025 from the Computer Science and Engineering branch. Now I am pursuing study in BTech in Computer Science and Engineering branch from second year. Um, I am strong interest in subjects like DBMS, OOPM, and I like the programming language like Java, C, and C++. I made a many projects through the Java like student notification app, also a zero waste byte project. And I also participated currently in SIH Smart Indian Hackathon. I made a project of SIH zero waste byte project. That's all about me. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, that's great about you. And okay, so the next question is what are your strength?
Uh, my strength is that I adapt any environment, new environment where I can survive, and also I am a quick learner. I am interested to learn about new technology and work in this field.
Okay, so that's great. And so the third question is what are your weaknesses? Do you comfortable to give answer?
Yes, ma'am. So firstly, my weakness is that I am very panic student. When I cannot do anything in this time, then I am panic about this thing that how I cannot do this, and so this is my.
Okay, yeah. So do you working on it to overcome?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, I am working on it. That I am also not a quick. I am also not speaking in English very confidently. But when I made more videos related to this topic, so we can learn about this. And also, a few time ago, uh, I am very correct about my panicness that I can remove these things.
Okay, that sound great. Are you work? You are working on this, and okay. So the next question is why do you want to work here? Any interviewer asked from you.
Yes, ma'am, because I can firstly explain that I know about your company. Your company reputation is very good. You can also learn many new technologies, new things, and we also train a good that how to learn the things, how to interested in the field. This is all about the company, so I like this thing.
Okay, so the next question is where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
Firstly, I am made a software engineer, and I develop many projects that can solve the real world problems, and also I can help the peoples to whether it cannot give a question, it cannot arise any question that how I can uh, feel better, and how I can do how I can achieve the goal. That's many students have also don't about what my goals and how which time we can meet a goal. So many think I can manage all the times betterly. So this is the I can see in my future in next 5 years.
Yeah, that's great about you. And you said you are working on your weakness, so
Yes, ma'am.
that's very good. Okay, so no, Sneha will be the interviewer and I will be give the answer of this question.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. First, first question is tell me about yourself in brief.
Okay, so that's very good. Okay, thank you. And so, as you know, that my name is Ravina, and currently I am third year student in BTech in Computer Science Engineering Department from Sagar Institute of Science and Technology. And I am a quick learner and passionate about to learn new technology. And also in my free time. I am working on coding and some projects, and that's very good for me. And so that's all about me.
Okay, ma'am, nice. My second question is that what are your strengths?
Okay, so my strength is like strong logical skills, and because when I solve DSE problem, so I easily made logic about that question. So that is the my strength, and again I easily adapt new environment. So that is also my strength.
What are your weakness, ma'am?
Okay, so weakness is sometimes I'll spend more time on a small task, like that was not very necessary in the future. So that is the my weakness, but I am working on it to manage time with the big things, and how to manage times with the big things and small things. That is the my weakness.
Okay. Why do you want to work here?
Okay, so as a fresher, every person want to job in a company. Uh, their reputation is very good, and their work culture is very good. So also, I want to join your company because whatever I know about the company reputation is very good, and their work culture is also very good, and like uh, like along the work they provide to learn new technology and new things. So that's why I want to join your company.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Okay, so that's great question. And firstly, I want to join any reputed company, and after that, through my dedication and my continuous learning, I want to achieve topmost position at that company. So that's about my short term and long term.
Very nice, ma'am. Really.
Okay, so that's all about today, guys. Okay, thank you. Don't mind our grammatical issues because we are in learning phase. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.